morning, everybody. This is the next day. This is April 2nd, 2024, and this is 5 minutes for market opening, and I am about to go live on YouTube right here, marking out like the stuff that I need to mark out, and then about to go live in the OBS studio here for the live YouTube. You can tell my face cam's over there. I'm about to go live here, and about to trade, so hopefully everybody joins, you know what I mean, just Alright guys, this is April 2nd, 2024. I'm going to show you guys the trades that we took today. I took 5 total trades today in the YouTube live. Lost 4 and won 1, and I am on a losing day. Down about $635 today, but I'm going to show you guys what we took and why I am down that much. And to be honest, I don't think it was like terrible day, to be honest. Yeah, I'll just get right into it, to be honest with you. Okay, so for our first trade here, this is our first trade. We had news at 10, right? So news happened at 10. Price took the sell side liquidity on a higher time frame, the hourly. Price came back up, and I was bearish overall. So daily was bearish, 4-hour was bearish. 1 hour was bearish. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna stick with my bias bearish. So basically what happened was after sweeping out this low, I was still pretty bearish. So basically what happened, price came back down and literally came back, swept this internal low. And then I was still bearish overall. And price came back up, tapping this 1 minute imbalance here. After tapping that 1 minute imbalance, I dropped down to the lower time frame, and I saw that we had liquidity resting up here, this buy side. So basically buy side was tapped and also 1 minute in line. So I was like, okay, this looks very probable. So basically what happened was price came down, started displacing. I was looking to enter shorts off of here and have my stops above this high. But at the same time, I was like, okay, this is too good to be true. So basically I waited, and basically price dumps. I was trying to get a fill up here at this fair value gap up here, but I did this market order, so my fill was completely terrible. So that was the bad part. And then after that, what I did was I was like, okay. So after we got filled here, I was like, I saw that we had this bullish fair value gap here. I saw that, okay, if we like disrespect this fair value gap here, I'll look to add another contract, and I wouldn't have my stops at this high anymore. So basically what happened was we disrespect it, and I enter off another position here, and we immediately went straight back up and got stopped out. I put my stops above this high on the lower time frame and got stopped out there. So for our second trade here, same thing. Basically, price action broke structure on the 1 minute here. So I was like, okay, I think this is finally gonna go down. So basically, what happens here was price came down, respected this 15-second fair value gap, drop, and then I entered off around this fair value gap here. I entered off of this fair value gap here, correct? And then after that, I dropped down to the 1 minute again. I saw that we had this bullish fair value gap, and I was like, okay, if we displace through this fair value gap, disrespect it, I'm going to add another position. Our fill was around here, or was around this area here. And then I put my stops above this high up here, got stopped out. So that was the second trade. Okay, so for our third trade, I did the same thing again. What happened was we finally tapped this 1 minute imbalance again and saw some big displacement through the downside. So basically what I did was I saw this fair value gap here, and I enter off this fair value gap, and price eventually finally flushed down, and I took profits at this 1 minute fair value gap here. I took profits here. It was a nice push down, took profits, and ran. The risk to reward ratio was a bit below 2.5, so that was a good thing. So for our next two trades, I was still pretty bearish. I wanted to see these lows down here. And basically, this trade wasn't the best. I'm not going to lie to you guys. Basically, we had this buy side liquidity here and saw some displacement down, entered off here, off this fair value up here, and got stopped out. Immediately, price came back up and just stopped us out. And so for our next trade here, I did the same thing. I saw that we were struggling to go back up. This is pretty much resistance, buy side, whatever. And basically price came up again, displaced down, entered off this fair value gap here, or this tiny little fair value gap here. And plus we broke structure down to the 1 minute here. So I had good confluences here. So plus we were also in this inverse fair value gap here. So I was like, okay, this looks very good. I'm going to look to enter here, and immediately got stopped out. But yeah, those were all the trades that we took today in the live YouTube, and now prices going back up, started accumulating here. But other than that, those are the trades that we took today in the live YouTube. So yeah, have a nice little community going on. But other than that, I'll catch you guys in a bit and do like a trade recap after we get done live trading. Okay, we just got done editing the trade recap of today's trade. I'm looking at markets right now, and I might look to take another short if we take out some sort of buy side. But other than that, I'm starving. I'm literally gonna get something to eat. I'm literally gonna die of starvation if I don't eat right now. So yeah. So later today, we have to go to Oklahoma City, and I have to get everything that I need to get done today. I gotta edit my yesterday's day in the life video, and plus hit the gym, do whatever I need to do, because we leave at 3 and it's about 11:02 right now, so I should have plenty of time. Alright boys, we just got done uploading the video. Well, it's uploading right now. Got done editing, uploading the video. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, that video was low-key not the best in my opinion. Kind of just went through it and just talked a lot, but right now we have a lot of things to do. We gotta go get my brother's car freaking tire to get fixed because there's a nail in there or whatever, it's flat, and then literally gotta head straight to the gym. But I'm probably gonna be at the dealership for like an hour at most, so that's gonna waste a lot of my time. But other than that, I'll catch you guys in a bit. Alright boys, we're about to head to the shop right now. I don't even know if I'll even be able to hit the gym like today, to be honest. It's already 12:04. Probably gonna be at the shop for like an hour, honestly, maybe even longer, but we'll see. Looks like we might be here for a while. Looks like this tire's fucked. There's literally a nail through this tire, so they're gonna have to fix that crap. But luckily for me, my cousin is coming to pick me up, so she's gonna take me to the gym, so that's a perfect thing. So what are you going on, so what are your goals? Like the opinions that you have on, or like just like. Yeah, like how would that play out first? 5? I think about that for real. Alright boys, so apparently the guy was super nice. I knew him, and he didn't charge us at all. So we got a free tire repair, and literally the spare aired up, so that's perfect. As you can tell, we're driving off right now. That's literally perfect. But other than that, free tire repair, that's amazing, bro. Shout out to Discount Tire, man. You guys are a G. Alright boys, we made it. Gonna watch them play volleyball for a little bit. Gonna see what's gonna happen. They're most likely going to lose, but we'll see. Okay, so they aren't playing the first game, so what I'm going to do is, I have a friend here in Oklahoma City, and she works at the snow cone place. I'm gonna go get myself a snow cone and just go meet her overall. But they don't play until like 20 more minutes, so because they have another team that's playing, and then they're gonna play. So each game is about 30 minutes, so they're very long, depending on like whatever it is. But catch you guys in a bit. Alright boys, literally got back. She was pretty nice. She was nice, surprisingly. This tastes like shit though. It just tastes terrible, honestly. I don't know why people even like snow cones. This is terrible. Maybe I just got a bad flavor, but that was terrible, bro. And terrible flavor. About to head back to the game. They should be playing, so I'm gonna go watch that, and yeah, just chill. Oh, damn, what the fuck? Boys, we made it back home. A long drive, like drove about 3 hours today overall total. But other than that, that's gonna end today's vlog. I appreciate you guys for even joining, and I'll see you guys tomorrow on the live YouTube.